Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've opened Capcut and your edit is ready. Now locate the export controls. Tap the export or share icon, it's usually top right, so you can set resolution options. Before changing settings, make sure your sequence is finalized, trims, effects, and overlays locked. Once done, Capcut will show export presets and a settings gear or resolution dropdown. That's where you'll pick frame size and quality. You're starting the export setup, not exporting yet. Now you adjust the how and why of output. Choose resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. Tap resolution and pick 1080p for standard YouTube or 4K when you need maximum detail and your device supports it. Then set FPS, 24 for cinematic, 30 for smooth web video, 60 for motion-heavy clips. Next, increase bitrate for better quality, lower it to save space. Make sure Capcut indicates device capability. If an option is grayed out, your device may not support it. Tap Export and let Capcut render. Watch the progress bar, and then review the saved file in your gallery or project folder. If the output looks lower quality than expected, reopen export settings and raise resolution or bitrate, then re-export. Sometimes you must reapply the highest preset. If export fails or app crashes, restart Capcut or your device. Clear app cache or free storage space before trying again. One key tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.